Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Probability Exercise 16.2 question number 4. Let's see the question. 3 coins are tossed once. Let A denote the event 3 heads show. B denote the event 2 heads and 1 tail show. C denote the event 3 tails show. D denote the event her head shows on the first toss. Which events are mutually exclusive simple compound? Here they have asked 3 subdivision. In that we need to know first A, B, C elements we need to find out. Here the given sample space we need to write it first. It is 3 coins are tossed once. So let me write the sample space first, which is 3 coins tossed. I am very much thorough with the 2 coins. So let me write the 2 coins HH, HT, TH and TT. Write it twice. Repeat it again. Put head on the first row at the back and tail on the second row at the back. Now this is the sample space for 3 coins toss. Let me write the A next. A denote event 3 head show. Here 3 head shows is HHH. So I have written A. For B, B denote the event 2 head shows and 1 tail. 2 head and 1 tail. 2 head and 1 tail. 2 head and 1 tail. That's all. So HTH, THH, HHT. Now C denote the event 3 tail shows. So this is the C. Now D denote a head shows on the first toss. First toss, that should be a head. It is not necessary about the tail or how many heads they are. It has come. They have just asked a first toss head. That means the first toss head, first toss head, first one head. So even triple H, the first toss head. So HTH, next HHT, next HTT. So we have written A, B, C, D. They have asked about the mutually exclusive event. For the first subdivision, we need to write the mutually exclusive events. For mutually exclusive event, there should not be any intersection. Check A with B. Triple H is not here in B. So A intersection B is equal to, check with C, even B, A intersection C is equal to, we are going to write this to be a null set. So let me write all the intersection which are null set. Now if we compare with this, we have a 3 heads. So they are not intersection. Now we will compare with this 2. There is an intersection. So leave it off. Compare this 2. B and C have no intersection. So B intersection C have no intersection. So compare C and D, no intersection. So C intersection D are null set. Now we will compare all the 4. So there is no intersection for all the 4. So even A intersection B intersection C is a null set. That means there is no intersection for all the 5 here. So we need to write A and B, comma, A and C, comma, B and C, comma, C and D, comma, A, comma, B, comma, B and C are mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive are no intersection. So first subdivision we have completed. We will move on to the second one. In the second one, they have asked for a simple. Simple events means it should have only one event. That is, if you check with A and C, they are having only one event in it. So as A and C have only one sample point, therefore A and C are simple events. So they are called simple events. Now we'll move on to the third subdivision, compound events. As B and D. Compound events means opposite to simple, more than one. B and D as two or more events or more than one events. More sample points. B and D are compound events. So they are called compound events. That's all with the sum. Thank you.